I'm going to be stitching it twice. Now here we go. I'm going to be going extra slow to make sure everything is going the right way. Make sure I go back to lock it in. Oh, my string just came out. I have to restart it now. Go. Let's try this again. Here we go. Make sure you're pulling from the back a little bit to keep it moving. The back side already came back. This is where I started. Let me cut those string. Get them out of the way. As it come on to go on the second one, I will be pulling those out so I know where I started and I don't have to worry about them anymore. I just pull all the pen out just because I can do a better job now on the second pass. I know my starting point was right there because make sure I started somewhere you know where. I know I started right there because this is where I previously saw it and this is where I decided to stop. So when I done, make sure I go back to lock it in and pull it up and bring it up. you can cut it. And this is what you get. This is gonna be the inner part, and this is gonna be the top part. So it's gonna be like this. You put this in. It's gonna be like this. And now I'm gonna have to do the outer part. Let's get that done. This is the outer part. I decided to put this stitching at the same area. So the right way to do this is to turn this inside out and leave this the same way, and just place it like that. Actually, I have to turn mine the other side because the farther side go on the other side. One side of my headphone is farther than the other one. So because it's gonna be like this, I have to put the taller side on this side. Make sure you pay attention to that. So I'm gonna be doing the same thing. Put my first pen on this side. And try to find the half mark. And also pen it down. And go between each of these pen. Find the half point and pen it down. And now I'm going to be putting 2 extra on between each of those pens. I'll show you this once I get it done. Alright, I'm done putting all the pen now. Now I'm going to start sewing this together. It's going to be the same process. I'm going to show you how to start it, and I'm going to be showing you the end of it. Again, it's just going to be the same thing again. Leaving off materials, so the string have enough material to hold on to, so the needle gonna go right down there, so you have like probably 1/16 to 2/16 of an inch of material on the edge, so the string have enough thing to hold everything together. Alright, let's do it. Again, go back again to lock it in. Again, I'm gonna go around twice to make sure it doesn't come apart. The only reason why the JBL material came apart is because they didn't glue the inner part, but the outer part was glued. The inner part wasn't glued. I'm not sure why they decided to glue the material on the inner part, and not. They should. I think they should have just stitched everything together. It would last longer. I hope they do that in the future, because I like the headphone they make. Now I already got to the halfway point. I'm gonna take those string off to get them out of the way. And I'm gonna start removing some of the pen. Almost to the end, and I'm already stitched it twice. I went over it. Now let's go back to lock it in. And that's all you have to do. Just cut the string. Just cut it.